Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to secure your apps using AppLock. First, go to the Play Store and search for AppLock, then install the application. Once the installation is complete, open the app and allow the required permissions. After that, set a PIN for your applications and enter it again to confirm. Next, add the apps you want to protect. Click on the plus button and select the apps you want to lock, for example, Facebook, Galaxy Store, or Gmail. Then click OK to confirm. After selecting the apps, you need to enable the required permissions. Turn on Usage Access for AppLock, then allow Appear on Top so the app can lock other applications properly. Once everything is enabled, your setup is complete. Now, whenever you try to open a locked app like Facebook or Gmail, you will be asked to enter your PIN before accessing it. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.